Hello friends, peace be upon you all. Friends, today we will learn how to install Kelk 2010. Kelk 2010 and later versions 2013 and up exist. But, versions after 2010 are not stable. I've installed later versions, and they usually crashes. Kelk is an ultimate calligraphy software. Now, we try to install this software. And, here we will now give it permission to install. And, as soon as its installation starts. That is, here you will click on Next. So, after a while you will get an error message. That message will be something like this. This app can't run on your PC. To find a version for your PC, check with Software Publisher. This message means that this software is not compatible with your Windows. In Windows 10 or 11, we have to change the compatibility mode. You have to right-click on Kelk's exe file and open the properties of this file. And, next to the General tab, you will see a Compatibility tab. You will click on the Compatibility tab. You have to check the Run this program in compatibility mode 4. And from here we will select Windows 7. As this program is being installed in Windows 7. Here we will click on Apply and then OK. Now if we run this program as administrator. So, now we will see if this program will install or not. Now you keep clicking Next and Next. Previously we were getting the compatibility error message. That message won't come now. This is a small and simple trick. While installing Kelk, you just have to change its compatibility mode. You can do this with any other software. This means that software that is not compatible with Windows 10. You can change their compatibility mode. Compatibility mode is a feature that allows a computer to run software or open documents from an older system by emulating that older system or version. And, finally you have to click on Finish. Now, let's open this software and see. If you click on the Start button and type KELK, the software will appear. For the first time, you have to run this software as administrator. The second time you can open this program in the normal way. So, this is starting to open Kelk 2010. Remember, I have said before that all the software released after 2010 is not stable. Is it 2013, or is it 2016 or 2017? No one is stable. All those versions crash while working. Kelk 2007 and 2010 are stable. These versions never crash. You are seeing that Kelk 2010 has been installed. You can change its font size from here. It has 2 lines by default. Suppose I delete 1 line. You can enlarge its canvas from here. Now you can write whatever you want here. Suppose I write my name here. Remember that you have to install Adobe installer for this program. You can see that I have InPage Pro. I have Kelk 2010. And there is also a Adobe installer. This Adobe installer app is a must install. You will find this for free download in a Google search. Now you can select Arabic keyboard or Urdu keyboard here. you can still write here. After selecting the Urdu keyboard, as I have written my name here, and increase its font size here, and from here you can change its fonts. Its fonts are Nask, Nastaleug, Thuluth, Tarari, Shekiste, Hashim Baghdadi Nask, Divani Kafi and Divani Jolly, Kufi, Molia, Lahuri Nastalai, and Ruka. And you must be well aware of the tools on the left side, as this tool only changes the font style. It is also possible to use ordinary Arabic fonts in combination with calligraphy fonts. Now with the power of Kelk, you can type your favorite piece of text, poem, or verse, and watch its formation into beautiful calligraphic fonts. Kelk is a decorative calligraphic style font with delicate, sharp-edged strokes. It is giving artistic feel, best suited for Islamic projects. A program that provides advanced features to type in handwriting like Arabic font. Kelk is a decorative font with delicate strokes that evoke traditional calligraphy. Due to its dynamic and changing thickness in letter forms, it creates an artistic, yet fragile appearance. Look at the Divani Jolly font, how beautiful it is. Kelk has a maximum font size of 72. But if you manually type the size and enter it, you can also make the size larger. As I have changed the font size to 150. You can make the size as big or as small as you want. So Kelk 2010, I installed it and showed it to you. If you look at the top left, you will see the Kelk 2010 written on it. You can check all its information in About. Kelk is owned by Sinasoft Company. It is aggressive and result-oriented software engineering company in Iran. And on the top left, you can see the Kelk 2010. So, in this way you can change the compatibility mode of the Kelk and install it in Windows 10 or in 11. So, install Kelk in this way and enjoy this software. Hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.